So we're over here checking out our new listing here in Parma, Ohio. It has new luxury vinyl,
New carpet, new paint, new trim paint.
now it just needs its new owner. So I love the granite countertops in this kitchen, and whether you're a coffee drinker
Or a wine drinker, we have this great little nook to the right of the kitchen.
Shannon, I know you love your built-ins.
Yeah, these are really cute. You can have craft storage in here, knick-knack storage, records. It's a really great room up here. It could be multiple things, right?
Yeah, it could be another additional bedroom up here, but I do love that you have the 2 bedrooms on the main floor.
Yeah, so this is like a bonus area with a half bath. Check out this finished basement.
Yeah, it's great. You could definitely watch a lot of games down here.
Recessed lighting throughout the house, glass block windows down here.
I noticed the hot water tank was 2020. You've got forced air, central air. Literally all you have to do is just grab your furniture and move right in.
Yeah.